Welcome to yet another video review in our channel. This time I'm going to show and explain a couple of the features of the new Leica ERi 2.5 to 10 by 42. This rifle scope is closely related to the former ER Leica series, which was introduced in 2009. But it has one really important addition, and this is the reticle illumination. This is why this small letter can be found in its name, which stands for illumination. Probably the optical construction was only revised and updated from the previous model, but still there is a big difference because of the reticle illumination. That means that a lot of European hunters, which hunt at the dusk and dawn, can use this scope much more, well, for them this scope is much more useful. The scope comes with a warranty card. It has a 10 years warranty, like all Leica scopes. It also comes with a test certificate, which shows that this scope was tested before it left the factory. It also comes with a battery for the illumination, with instruction manual, with special instruction manual for ASV turret. I think that in 2014 now this turret is called BDC, Leica BDC. Now if we say a couple of words for the scope. The scope has a really nice magnification range from 2.5 all the way to 10. It has a really wide angle, wide field of view on the 2.5 magnification. The field of view is 14.5 meters per 100 meters, which is really a lot. So you have a nice feeling when you use it, no tunnel effect. Your eye just, how to say, you fall into the picture. It's really nice to use. And compared to many other competitors, it has a smaller objective lens, only 42 millimeters. That means that this scope is really light, it's really small, compact, and especially suitable for mountain hunts or stalking, since it offers really useful magnification range, and at the same time it's really light and small. What is also really attractive on this scope is the price. The price point is lower than any scope you can find among 5 premium brands of rifle scope manufacturers in Europe. So it's really attractive. The price is below 1,500 euros, and this is not much for such a famous brand as Leica and for such high quality. This scope is 32 centimeters long, and it weighs less than half a kilogram, 480 grams. It is waterproof, shockproof for any kind of caliber, and it's filled with dried nitrogen, dry nitrogen, so that there is no internal fogging when you use it at low temperatures. It also has special Aqua Dura coatings on the outer surfaces of the lenses, and this Aqua Dura protects them from scratching, and also it repels water droplets. So you don't get as much outer fogging when you breathe on a cold morning on this lens than you have on other scopes. It also has quite nice long mounting length, so you can mount it on any kind of rifle. But I think that most of these scopes will get mounted on a really light rifles. The reticle is placed in the second focal plane. That means it's really thin on higher magnifications. It doesn't cover a big piece of the target. And it's illuminated. The illumination is controlled by this side turret and can be set in 9 different settings. It is only meant for low light use, so it's not day bright. But on such a scope you don't need a day bright illumination, since it is mostly will be used for hunting in the evenings or really at the first light in the morning. The turrets can be kept like this one. This particular scope has a side turret kept. The clicks are 1 centimeter per 100 meters. Or you can order a special Leica BDC turret, like on this one. You can see this turret has a locking mechanism. Now it's locked. In this position it is unlocked, so with rotating of this ring you lock or unlock the turret. And then now you have a ring with centimeter clicks inside. Then you have a 95 clicks for bullet drop compensation. This is really a lot. You can shoot really far with this Leica BDC turret with normal calibers. That means more than 800 meters. And you can get 12 different ballistic rings which can be replaced here. The default ring has engraved markings for centimeters, but if you unturn this screw inside and remove the cap, you can replace this ring with 12 different ballistic rings which can fit to almost any ballistic curve, and then you only have markings for 1, 2, 3, 4 for 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters and so on. So it's a really good system to get the information which ballistic ring is suitable for your rifle, for your ammunition, for your scope. You have to use Leica ballistic software where you input all the data, and then you can easily choose the correct ballistic ring. This Leica BDC turret can also be used really good combined with Leica range-finding devices, like range-finding binoculars, the GeoVids, GeoVid HDB or HDR, or with a small pocket rangefinders, monoculars, which are Leica rangefinder 1000R or 1600B. So if you combine two Leica products, the rangefinding and the rifle scope with a Leica BDC turret, then you can really hunt on really long distances. So if I make a short summary, this is a relatively new, it was introduced in 2013, rifle scope from Leica. It's called ERi 2.5 to 10 by 42. It's really small, it's really light, meant for light rifles and really suitable for mountain hunts, and it offers really great value to price ratio. It is an affordable scope, and at the same time it offers great optical properties. Additional bonus is that it offers also the reticle illumination with 9 different intensity levels, which is suitable for any challenging low light situation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, please write to us, or if you would need more information about this rifle scope, please click the link below and visit our webpage. Bye.